Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bypass Roblox age verification if you're stuck with restrictions that block certain features or experiences. I'll explain why Roblox introduced these checks and show you a simple method to access the platform normally again. In many cases, access issues happen because of regional restrictions or network blocks. Some platforms and services behave differently depending on your location, which can prevent them from loading properly. One of the most effective ways to solve this is by using a VPN, which allows your connection to appear as if it's coming from another country. A VPN works by routing your internet traffic through a secure server in a different region. Instead of websites seeing your real location, they only see the VPN server's IP address. This helps bypass restrictions, improves connection stability, and keeps your online activity private through encryption. To get started, click the link in the pinned comment to visit the VPN website. Scroll down to the Choose Your Device section and select your device type, such as iOS or Android. Next, click Download and Start Free Trial to download the VPN app and activate your free trial. Once you click the button, you'll be redirected to the VPN page where you can easily start the free trial by following the simple on-screen instructions. This allows you to use the VPN with full features for a limited time without paying anything upfront. Complete the quick setup process, and once it's done, you'll have temporary access to the premium features. You can test everything risk-free. After that, simply choose the country you want to connect to based on your needs and connect to the server. When the connection is active, refresh the app or website you were trying to access, and it should now work. To sum it up, using a VPN is one of the simplest and most effective ways to bypass restrictions, access blocked content, and maintain a stable private connection. It takes only a moment to set up and works across multiple devices. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and thanks for watching. See you in my next video.